Have you guys seen the video where this plug tester won't work and then I tap it on the table and then it starts working? That's because I left some batteries in here, and we all know what happens when you leave alkaline batteries in devices. In this channel, we talk to you about troubleshooting all the time. I've probably got some of the best videos on how to use a toner and a tracer on YouTube. There's something you need to know about all of your devices that is extremely important. This is especially important for our troubleshooting devices, peripherals, multimeters, even lasers, whatever it is. If you're using these devices in the field, they're more subject to moisture, heat changes, movement. We really abuse our electronics in the field. It all contributes to more wear and tear and more likely for this to happen in your devices. Now, unfortunately, sometimes if you don't get to this in time, it can destroy the whole device. The contacts are never the same. Sometimes they're completely eaten away. I've lost $400 Pacific Laser System lasers because of forgetting to change out the batteries from time to time. It happens. You're using something really often, all the time, and then you might have months and months go by, and the next time you go to use it, hey, wait a second, this thing worked a second ago. I know the batteries are brand new. You open the device up, and what do you see?
Fatality.
It can very easily happen. This video is going to shine a spotlight on nickel metal hydride batteries as an option because they leak a lot less than your standard batteries. This is the Ostation, and it charges your batteries. One of the coolest features about this thing is that we can drop these batteries in here in any polarity. This thing will auto detect, auto sort, and even if it finds a bad battery, it'll dump it in this little compartment here. It can charge 4 batteries at a time very rapidly. There we go. Press next. And yeah, pretty easy. Oh, whoa, it actually shows you your battery life. Nice. Now this thing looks crazy, so we got to read all the instructions, but it has a lot of storage for batteries and a lot of buttons and things to push. So also this thing looks like it slides back. All right, one of the coolest things with this charger is that we can just dump these batteries in any polarity, and this station will charge them no matter how we put the batteries in this thing. We're going to test that. Yeah, drop batteries only when LED indicator ring is solid white. Like we mentioned before, it doesn't matter what direction we put these in. Now we can push the button or we can wait 20 seconds. I kind of want to wait 20 seconds. Let's see what happens. I almost forgot I was waiting 20 seconds. Oh, look at that. All right, check back, and we're going to get all these charged. You see the polarity is not the same. Some of them have the positive facing the other way. All right, this thing apparently charges faster than I thought it does. We're probably going to see another battery drop here pretty soon. Let's see if we can catch it. There it goes. Now, if you don't want to invest in nickel metal hydride batteries, or you don't want to invest in rechargeable means, and you just want to be able to have batteries that you can buy at the store and not have to worry about recharging or anything like that, there's a more expensive option you can do. It's what I was gonna do. I was kind of torn between spending a small fortune on lithium ion batteries, particularly the Energizer ones, to dump in here, but that'd be 6 AA's just for this and 4 AA's just for that. That'd be 10 lithium ion batteries just sitting in these clients. I don't know if you guys have priced those recently. That would get expensive very quickly. However, they would last and not leak. So that's my advice to you guys. Get batteries that don't leak, that's not going to ruin all of your troubleshooting. And see, these are AAA, so can't switch this one out. But right now I'm going through the house and I'm switching out everything like my Wii controllers. You know, it's things like that that you just kind of forget about. And then when it's time to change the battery, it's too late. So hopefully this helps you guys out. Let me know what you guys think. We'll see you in the next one.